Top of the morning to everyone who's present for match number 16 played between R11 versus UHCC. Interesting proposition upcoming for you. They've played, both the teams have played 3 matches and won 2 of the matches and lost 1 match. And this battle, interesting contest will be for the top position of Pool A. We are having here the captain of UHCC, Naveen Sami, and to his left, we have captain of R11, Raghu, will be flipping the coin, and Naveen shall give the call. Heads. Heads is the call. And it is tails. So Raghu has won the toss, R11. Congratulations for winning the toss firstly.
Thank you. We would like to call.
Any interesting decision seeing the ground conditions on the pitch? It comes out to be an unorthodox decision because every captain who's won, like we've seen that they opt to bat first.
After seeing the pitch, we would like to call first.
Any changes in your team that you're going?
There is one change. Instead of Andy, Bharat has come. That is the only change.
Thank you. Thank you. So I'd like to go to the captain of UHCC, Naveen. So what would have been your decision looking at the condition that they have told that they would have bowled? Anyways, they were looking to bowl first.
We would like to bat first. So that's fine. I'm good with it.
Okay. It's like a win-win situation. Any changes coming up for you, like it is a tiebreaker for both the teams?
Yeah, we have 2 bowlers and 1 batsman change. I'm looking forward to it and we expect it to be okay.
Any pressure for the tiebreaker?
No, not at all. We had a good game last weekend, so we just want to continue. We don't have.
Thank you. Allow you to go and discuss. This is it from the center where R11s won the toss and elected to bowl first. Live action, stay tuned, coming up in your way. He wanted to take on and he'll get the boundary. Takes on again. Straight to covers region. It is takes on down on one knee and will collect boundary again. Will not have to run for that, Ravi. R11. Takes on. And is it the maximum? Yes. It's the first maximum. The boost. Takes on. What? Without wasting time, he said, I had it enough of you. Not going to. Is it going to be a direct hit? Was very fiery. And he's been declared as out. Everyone's bamboozled. Was great fielding effort. Amount of work. Tries to sweep. The fielder settling down. Will be an easy catch for him. He didn't know much. He didn't. Moves across and cuts. And he cuts well finally. Sigh of relief after. Again he slashed it. Will be chasing. 3 fielders converging. And it's gone again. Wax and Zubair, Shoaib will just see the ball sail over his head. Was a brilliant sharp throw by the fielder from the point. And he's been given out with his flat arm throw. Ball from the rope. Takes on, is skied high, skewed up. Fielder settling and was an easy catch. He made it. And will collect for. And is nicked it finally. And it's been nicked and they've been all out. Sits on one knee. It's gone. The fielder will chase it hard. Will he chase it? Skewed up. Two fielders converging. Whose call is it going to be? Bowler coming in and safely. Balls. Price of catches was heavy. And it's picked into the gap. Definitely. And whack. See you later. The flight has taken off. Sets down on one knee. It was hit like a tracer bullet. As soon as it was connected, or the strategy of R11 would be very simple. Takes on. And it's gone. It's gone to the other ground. Please bring the finds the gap and it'll surely run away to the boundary. And he's bowled him and he's cleaned him up. And cries of catches, covers fielder coming in and he settles down, takes a good catch. And he's played well, swept it. Who's being the man motivating his team. Moves across and he's taken a blinder. What has he pulled?
Samanvit comes down. It's handsomely struck. It's lovely, lovely glance, lovely glance. It will be chased. Will it be chased successfully? No, it will not. Lovely shot. It's just fine tickle and fine wrist work. And is played it cheekily. And is played beautifully.
Good afternoon. Here we are for the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 16, played between R11 versus UHCC. Let's take a quick summary of the match, recap what had happened, where R11 won the toss and elected to bowl first, restricting UHCC with 109 runs, having them all out and having the total to chase 110 runs, where they managed to chase it down with just 4 wickets down and 6 wickets in hand, sparing 3 more overs, having the top performer Abrar, who managed to collect 3 wickets, bowling well with 9 runs after bowling 4 overs. Brilliantly, I have both the captains. Before heading to the captains, we'd like to thank our sponsors, having with us privilege to have their sponsorship, Hell Rockers, Foursquare Sports Shop, R11, RR Stones and MSR Tipper Services. Firstly, we'll go down to the captain who's lost. Unfortunate loss for you. Couldn't bring your team past the line. It was a contending match for the top position of the table.
Yeah, it's a bad day on the field, so we don't have kind of score on the board. So we should have 20 more runs, and we should have, I think, done much better in the morning.
According to you, and the feeling has been little ordinary of what UHCC is known for. How do you like to note that point?
Yeah, catches wins matches. I mean, we have 4 catch drops. That was not tough, easy one. So we expect them to take down those catches. I mean, if those catches are taken, I mean, the match might be any side. We cannot guess. So yeah, catches is.
Any strategies for your upcoming last game, because you are still contending in the second position?
I think that we have to stick to the basics, and especially catches, fielding area and batting. In the middle overs, we should just rotate the strike and put some good score on board.
Thank you. And if you can stay here to have the captain who's won today, Mr. Raghu, I'd like to call him to have a word with him. Congratulations, R11, the brand, the reputation you're living up to. Last season you won the Platinum Cup, and this season you are in the lead, the table toppers again. How do you like to know that with the win?
We would like to thank all the I would like to thank the CCC, they also did very well, and today it was on and we are batsmen, then we need to improve in batting in this thing. And bowlers, Abrar has bowled very well, Samanvit bowled well, Bharat bowled well. The bowling team has done a wonderful job for this amazing season.
As a captain, how difficult or how easy is to keep great bunch? You have a great bunch of team, to be very precise. How easy or how difficult is it to keep them composed and to keep them together to the process?
It is not a team, it's a family for me. Our level is a family. We don't call as a team, we call as a team as a family. So we're all composed and everyone gives 100%.
And on Abrar's figures, as he's the man of the match, so he's bowled 4 overs to the day, 9 runs conceded, 3 wickets. As a bowler, you are the bowler who opens the bowling. It's magnificent that he bowls. So any temperament in Abrar's mind, you put up.
I think as such he's a very great bowler. As such, R11 concerned, he's a main strike bowler for R11. So we don't need to give him. He knows his job to be done in the field.
So Abrar is not here to collect his man of the match. We have his captain. Unfortunately, he'll collect it as a proud skipper. We call UHCC's captain to deliver the award to the captain of R11 on behalf of his family members.